Good morning and welcome to Vintage King Motorsports in Baldwinsville, New York. This is a 1982 Kawasaki KZ440. It is either for parts or repair. It does have a title and it does run. Certainly not a museum piece, but it does run and be a great bobber project, or use for parts, or heck, take the engine out and put it in a go-kart or some other project. Definitely not a thing of beauty. Obviously at some point it had a Vetter fairing on it. The headlight does not work, the signal lights work, the horn works, the rear brake works. As I said, it's not a thing of beauty. Belt drive is intact and is in good shape. And for those that don't know, that belt is extremely difficult to find. Inside the gas tank, I don't know if we can get a good shot here. The inside of the gas tank is extremely clean. No real rust or like that. Be it very good candidate for a bobber project or a chopper project or something along those lines. So if you're interested, call 315-560-3506. Ask for Brian at Vintage King Motorsports.